happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an empty house tour, walking through our old Michigan home and saying goodbye to it. But unfortunately, all the footage I got, I don't know what I did, but it was flickering all over the place and I didn't want to give you guys seizures. So I decided to go a different route with this video and just share some of the memories we made over our 5.5, 6 years in Michigan. Honestly, I never expected to meet the love of my life at 17 years old. And I never imagined that our future would take us to Michigan and all the beautiful memories we would make, all the love and laughter. There's been so much laughter. We've had our hard times. And you know, the first 10 years of our marriage, we were so broke, we didn't have $5 to spare, and we made it through that. We worked toward our dreams. We accomplished so many things that I never would have imagined for myself. But above all, I never imagined how I would experience God's faithfulness in such an amazing, incredible way throughout my life and the life of my girls, with 2 high-risk pregnancies, babies that could have very easily not been here, a very sick toddler who the Lord is continually healing and making stronger. So as we say goodbye to this chapter of our life that was Michigan, come along with me and reminisce over some of my favorite memories over the past 5 years. And honestly, if I hadn't gone to Facebook and complained, then chances are she might not even be here right now.
Alright, you do it.
You doctoring the horsey? Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. I just had the feeling that something wasn't right. I knew that she needed to come out. My water broke. It was brown. She had swallowed meconium. She had the cord around her neck. They had to work on her about 10 minutes and pump her stomach and all of that. But she ended up being perfectly fine. Meeting her little sister for the first time. Baby. Nancy.
What you doing, Lexa?
It's on the water balls.
Huh?
My mom is with her son.
You're washing bottles for baby sister?
Baby sister, yeah. You want this.
When she's older, she's gonna want this. That's what she said.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I I don't think she wants you to hold her anymore. You got to hold her for a long time. I was gonna take her, okay? This is my baby, not your baby. This is my baby. It's my baby. Gentle, Lexa, gentle. Headed to Kinsey Lane's 1 month checkup. She is not super happy right now. You scared me!
She's the only one that didn't get scared.
Is that exciting for you too? How's that sound, Kenzie? You wanna go home today? Okay. Okay. Let's go home today. Whoa. Are you so happy that Kenzie's home and Mommy's home? Daddy ran an errand. Look, she spends the whole week with Daddy. I've been gone a whole week, and all she wants is her Daddy. Are you reading to her? That's so sweet. Alexa, you can't get it out. First wagon ride together. Excited? Kenzie's excited. Is that popcorn good? Is she making you laugh? You're so excited. What you think, girlfriend? I can't. You're gonna fall.
It's a happy hour.
Kenzie, is this your first time playing in the rain? You think she likes it as much as you, Lexa? Are you stuck on that box? Oh.
Lovely.
So what do you think of the bread you made?
I'm a good cook.
You're a good cook? All ready? What are y'all doing? This was about the 5th time in 6 months that I had spent a week in the hospital with Kenzie. I knew that she was really sick. As we were headed up the elevator, I sent my mom and my sister Penny a text, and they had so many people praying for her. And when we got to the top of the elevator, they looked at me and they said, there's no way, like, is this Kenzie? Like, they thought they had the wrong patient. Apparently they had been planning on intubating her as soon as we arrived upstairs in the ICU. That was a moment in my life that I experienced God's power, the power of prayer. You feel so much better. Say thank you for all the prayers. We love you.
That's the coffee dad.
Hey, are you happy to be home? Yeah. Look at my sweetie pie. Daddy almost completely finished her room while she was gone.
Penny, I love you. You make you happy, Daddy happy.
Look, Lexa, she wants you to throw it to her. What are you crying for?
Oh, Paw
You want a Paw Patrol onion?
Yeah.
Well, if you can find me one, I will let you eat it.
So playing.
Yeah, you're so big and smart.
We can do Play-Doh.
All right, see you later.
Don't say later.
You don't want to see me later?
I will come back.
Oh, you're coming back. Who's pushing you? What you doing? Kenzie, do you have panties on?
No.
What are y'all doing?
My foot is not getting cold.
No, y'all need socks and shoes on. What happened to your pants and your shirt, your jackets and everything that I put on you? And Kenzie, you're butt naked.
I'm not getting cold.
Oh my God.
I'm not getting cold now.
Did you say ready for summer? Good thing she's got a long shirt.
Look. Whoa. What?
Daddy? Dad, I see my footprint.
Yeah?
Is that baby shark?
Yeah. They're right there, baby.
Cleaning the bathroom with my little helpers. Was it fun? Yeah.
All right, smile.
All right, what'd you do for the first time ever? She peed on the party! Yay!
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you.
First night in your big bed!
You can eat food.
She wants to. I don't think she's quite ready for that yet.
Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like every
All right, show me your turtle dance.
Listen, you do understand that we can't go to children's church unless children's church is open, right? It's Wednesday and Sunday.
So I just discovered something. Kenzie thinks that her name is Lexa Kenzie.
Hey, who are you?
and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could
We're playing
go
pigs,
wrong?
and Lexa said we had to sing to a video.
Songs. All I want is you.
Ricky!
You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you.
Should I go in my diaper?
Can't get enough
Yeah.
of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when you look into each other's eyes. Let you go.
Sassy.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never.
What'd you say? You don't want to go home? You want to go where?
Lexa's last big snow.
Oh!
Did she get you?
Alexa's going to get you.
Last day in Michigan!
You know I want.
Aaron and I will celebrate 15 years of marriage this May, and it's been a wild ride. I'm tearing up just thinking of all the things that God has brought us through. And you know, it was really hard for me when we moved to Michigan. I had a really tough time becoming a stay-at-home mom and not having any support from other women. Us women, we just need each other, but Aaron's been there for me, obviously, in every way possible, and he's always just been patient with me and my moods and everything that I'm going through. There's no one else I'd rather spend the rest of my life with. So here's to the next 15 years. Aaron, I love you if you're watching this. And to everyone who's here watching, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. All right, we are headed out bright and early in the morning. Woohoo! Bye, Daddy. Now we're gonna follow him. Say bye, house.
My house. See you soon.
No, we're never gonna see this house again. We're going to Texas.